Our favorite kind of rental properties to purchase are the ones that need a little bit of love. When a property needs a little bit of work and is priced correctly, there's typically an opportunity to increase your profit. This multifamily property is a perfect example. First thing first, never underestimate the power of paint. It's the best ROI in real estate. We painted everything: walls, doors, trim, cabinetry, even tile. This is such an easy way to improve a space on a small budget. The next thing we did was swap out all of the outdated countertops with a faux marble. This is a durable and budget-friendly way to give a high-end look. We also installed some floating vinyl flooring in the bathroom to cover up the outdated tile. This was way easier and more affordable than ripping out the existing tile. Lastly, we updated our hardware, fixtures, and appliances. In total, this one unit cost about $3,100 to fix up, but allows us to charge $320 more in rent per month, which translates to $3,840 per year. If we repeat this process with the other 4 units and get similar rents, we could increase our annual gross rents by nearly $20,000. These kind of opportunities are out there. You just got to know what you're looking for, and you can't be afraid to do some of the work yourself.